Story time. This t-shirt that I'm wearing right here, it has a meaning behind it, which most of my t-shirts do. Most of the designs are like me and my friends, or something that happened, or one of my trucks, or a truck we built, something along those lines. But this one, with the hawk on it, you're like, why is there a hawk on that t-shirt? Well, I was filming a truck for a client over here, and this happened. So that's it. That's what that means. It's kind of a funny story. That is available on the website right now, goodlife.com, along with a bunch of others, and the 2 new ones that we just dropped, which should be shipping right now or probably in a week from now, depending on when you're watching this. Okay, on to the video. We're headed to Pro Performance. Good morning, or whenever you're going to watch this. So we are headed to Pro Performance right now. Remember last year, or not that long ago, this year, last year, whatever, we gave a Toyota truck away at the Forbidden Fantasy show. We're gonna go look at another truck to give away for 2027. It is currently the first week of June 2026, and we're gonna try to make this happen a lot sooner than last year. Last year we bought the Toyota in May, and we didn't finish it until right before the show, because we didn't start it till right before the show. This time we're buying a truck it's a cleaner truck from the start, and we don't need to do as much to it, because we're buying something that's already got a head start as far as like some new parts. So I was with Travis in Moab a few weeks ago at the C10 Red Rock Retreat. He had sent me some footage to edit of him installing some lowering components on this truck. And I asked him, oh, what are you doing to the truck next? And he goes, oh, we're probably going to sell it. And I said, oh, I'm interested. And we've never messed with any S10s on this channel. And that's what it is. Surprise, surprise. It's an S10. Super clean truck, though. So we're going to go look at it and get the details. Try to get a head start on this giveaway thing, so we're not running up to the last minute to the show next year. So yeah, let's get over to Travis's. And then if you go 1, 2, 3,
you don't have to hit you tap it 3 times.
Yeah.
And then it switches.
Yeah.
All right.
We're learning DJI stuff over here. This is Travis's little shop. You're gonna think about upgrading soon? It's pretty small. You might be running out of room.
Yeah, we are, yeah. We're gonna do a full second floor. There's gonna be a drive-up ramp in the back.
Tell me about this thing.
This is a 01, 02? Same thing. S10.
Yep.
Extended cab, of course. V6 auto, fully loaded. 1 owner truck, 119,000 miles.
Oh.
But I'm big on, I don't buy trucks with manual windows. I'm a little bougie. I need the power. Has to have power, so I had to find one that was loaded.
Well, I remember when you were talking about it, and you were like, nope, it's gotta be nice. And it's got the third. So I've never had an S10.
Wait. There it is.
Oh, we're just took some money off.
It's GM. Yeah.
I've never owned an S10. It's got cup holders back here?
Yeah, so you can flip down the jump seat on the other side.
What?
That's where I'm gonna ride.
And then what did you guys do to it?
Beltec 4.5 drop. The 18-inch American Racing wheels.
Yep.
Switched it to SUV brakes up front. That was more just like, I know that's a common upgrade for S10s. So I wanted to do it and see how it all went together, and if we needed the parts and pieces or it was direct bolt on. So ironed out that. So yeah, other than that, it's pretty straightforward. Ran a big 295 in the back.
Yeah.
You can fit huge tires on the back of these.
It's definitely not like a mini truck thing. That's a
hot rod. Well, my mom drove around a GMC Jimmy when I was a kid. It was like a 97 black. My dad put a 275 60 15 on it, and I just remember like, it's gonna fit? Yep. Put it on there, so here we are.
Sweet.
What, 30 years later?
Yeah.
No, there was a bed cover on it.
Yep.
I mean, the bed is pretty dang straight, I think, but I mean, that's kind of why I bought it too, because the bed was so nice.
Yeah. Well, I remember when you were talking about this, you were like, I don't want to buy like a piece of crap.
No, because a lot of S10s are.
Yeah.
They are terrible.
It's hard to find.
Yes. And I looked all over for a V6 regular cab, which is hard in
hard to
itself.
find. Yeah.
Yes, and I didn't want a 4-cylinder because they're gutless.
Yeah.
Especially with an auto.
Yeah. Yeah.
So,
these standard cab, the V6's standard cab with the manual are fast.
yes, I think that'd be fun. That's even harder to find, I feel like.
Yeah.
And with an extended cab, you can kind of kick back, maybe get a little more room in there.
Yeah,
You're not so cramped.
Yeah. All right. What do you guys think?
Dang, the stereo's good. Look at that, 90s already here.
It's too hot for this. The key to doing things in Arizona in the months of June, July, August, September is to do them at night. And that's where we are. That's where we are at night. I'm going to take all of this stuff here and put it in the trailer. The S10 is lowered. There's no C notch. The S10, it'll pull it fine power-wise. But the issue that I'm thinking is going to happen is since it's not notched, it axle slaps, meaning the axle is going to hit the frame. It's not going to do any damage or anything. It's just more annoying. Okay, so I got the trailer unloaded of everything that we're not needing to take, and in the front of the trailer here is just our tables, and in the back is a couple of easy ups. So there's no totes in there. I just want to see what the tongue weight is with just those tables and nothing. Then some of you might be asking, hey, why don't you just take the Tacoma to that show this weekend? Because that actually makes the most sense. But I'm using this S10 here as kind of a test bed for a future project. This does not have cup holders yet. It does not have a stereo in it yet. And those things are important to road trips, right? So that's why I'm not driving that out there. If this doesn't work, I might trailer it out there, but I don't know. I just did that last month to our club meet, and I mean, is there numbers even below 300? It doesn't look like it. So the minimum on this jack is 300. I'm not going to know if it's going to go down to 200 or not. According to that, we're at 166. I don't know how accurate that is, but I feel like it is. Yep. So far so good on lights, but I think this is going to be an axle banger. Feels good, but I haven't really gone over a lot of bumps, you know? So I'm thinking if that drive to California, we're going to be hitting quite a bit of bumps and it might axle slap quite a bit. Well, I really wanted to take this thing because I think it looks killer. And it tows really well, but it's just hitting the axle too much, and I think it's going to be a not only annoying, but just unpleasant. So we're going to be boring and just take the trusty old Maverick, which is not a mini truck, car truck. Did we ever figure out this argument? I know the Maverick is boring, and I feel bad because I got this cool Tacoma in the garage that I'm not taking, that I could slow it on the trailer. I'm not driving it yet, like I said earlier. It's just not ready to be long distance comfortable drives. Maverick is super comfortable, and yeah, I'm just full of excuses.
You're only here because people know about it.
I don't know. Say hi to the vlog.
Hi, vlog.
Untrailered business.
Quartzsite, Arizona, 100 degrees. Met up with Tanner and Jeff. Now we're on the second leg of the trip. Another 2 hours to go.
next morning.
Verbal violence. Mike Igo said to tell you to come move a gate. I said, tell him yourself.
Hey!
I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do.
Just, hey, tell Glenn to let you in right there.
That's what he did for me, but now there's no room to let him in.
Oh.
Is he supposed to work over here? Nothing. You didn't hear nothing.
Now I know why Brian doesn't get mad when his club members don't show up, because they all drive stock trucks.
You're
You're at the grinder booth.
Listen. Don't tease me if you can't please me.
Oh, don't make me break out the.
This is our best. This is our bestest show truck right here because
Right
it's the
there,
stockest one.
Yeah.
All right, let's walk around and get people talking on camera. Just random people. What are you doing?
I'm judging people. I mean, I'm judging cars. What's up, Mr. Good? How you doing, buddy?
You have to talk to people on the camera, through the camera.
Hi, world. We're here at Unfinished Business Show, Vendor Life. It's amazing. If you're not here, you're missing out.
Say who you are and what you do.
Oh, shit. Fat Jap, Real Naked City Pin Garage. Looking at my nipple right there. It's a very nice nipple. We do everything, man. T-shirts, hats, skateboards, flags, banners, pins, keychains.
You're selling a Freaks of Nature Vision Psycho Stick shirt?
I just started a t-shirt company called Dope Slogan. We're actually just new and up and coming. Got a few designs out.
Is that what your Instagram handle is?
Yes.
Dope Slogan?
Dope Slogan.
Yeah. Hi, Brian.
Hi. Look, you're on camera.
Oh, me?
Yeah, you. Say who you
Yeah,
are and what do you do?
Well, it's hot. It's Paris, California.
No,
We're here.
who are you?
Oh, who am I? Well,
These people, tell them. I know who you are.
oh, I thought you were talking to me directly. I thought it was like a me and you thing.
Is this better?
Yeah, that's better. Now I feel like it's less personal.
Too close.
Devin, Bio Customs,
Not Max?
not Max Fish. Hashtag it. Put it on
You did all
Instagram.
this.
I did. Yeah, it's a 99.
99 Dodge Dakota. We're going a little different on it. We're trying to make it something a little wild. So we're built the upper arms. They're actually a two-piece upper arm. So they unbolt at the ball joint, so they can actually come off the dog bone. I flared this whole piece here, the entire flare, you want to call it, is all me. Now I'm trying to tell people it's not Max anymore. So yeah, Max does shit, but it's not.
You
just
did
it.
this. Just say,
Yeah,
I did this.
I did this.
All right.
Yeah, it's me.
That's all I need to know.
Yeah, that's Devin.
Say who you are and where you're at.
I'm James. I'm out at Lake Paris for the Unfinished Business Car Show.
Main attraction,
Seeing some old friends, having a good
Southern
time.
California, San Diego.
Yep.
Up here, bro.
Hell yeah.
Riverside IE.
Fabian, man. San Diego. North County, main attraction, buddy.
Hell yeah. Get out of here. I know.
We're all sunburned after they're standing out in the sun and waiting for you to fucking
What up?
Good, everything is good.
Say who you are and where we're at. You forget, dude? Hey, look at, the more I look at Rick, I think I have him tattooed on my arm.
Some kind of...
Hey, Brian. Was it 15 or 16? 15's the last year. Okay.
Yeah, see you will.
Yeah, someone said, AI said it's 16. That's why you don't listen to AI. AI makes horrible artwork. I have a shirt coming out that's been made by AI.
They have this insane raffle.
Oh wait, we're doing vlogs?
I can't hear you because the radio.
What happened to the show coverage?
You gotta yell.
No copyright here. We're only doing videos.
Who's this guy?
And you would also think that I would
Oh, hey, I'm just looking at my new truck.
Yeah?
Yeah.
12 grand, it's yours.
I got like a solid 4.
Sold.
Are you? Oh, no, you're not frozen. I thought you froze for a second. I'm gonna be letting out secrets here. You can't come over here.
Brian, what are you doing?
I'm talking about.
Yeah, Brian. Go.
You're on the internet right now.
Go away.
Hold on, look, I can't even see anything now. What's going on?
We're talking about top secret video things.
Come on, Mom.
Hang on, I gotta clean my camera.
Yeah, I will.
Look at that, Dad.
Right? Hell yeah.
Bye. We're leaving the show.
All right, Rob. Wait. We're home. Oh. It's about a 5-hour drive home. I'll unload the trailer later and then I'm going to talk to you guys about this whole S10 thing. After what? My Tacoma, which you're probably sick of seeing all over the place because now I've been driving it all over, going to places, going to shows, posting it a bunch. The red Toyota, which there's going to be a follow-up on that truck soon. And then the giveaway Toyota. I didn't want to buy another Toyota. Well, I did want to buy another Toyota, but then I was like, wait, it's just all Toyotas. So that truck, we're giving it away at Forbidden Fantasy Show 2027. You can follow everything we do regarding that show on our Instagram, which is at FFF_show.com. And we will post updates on that. We'll post updates on the show, which we should be dropping all the information soon. And yeah, I've been driving it now for a couple of weeks and it's really nice. We're going to bag it. I'm going to sell those wheels and tires. So if anyone's wanting those, they're like American Racing. Nice wide tires in the back. 295 40 18s. And they are American Racing. And they're brand new. But yeah, so after a bunch of Toyotas, we're going to do an S10. And then like I said in the beginning of this video, this is kind of a test bed for a future build that I want to do. Automatic V6, pretty much stock paint, stock everything, stock interior. That way I can tow my little trailer to shows and not have to worry about like towing the Tacoma plus the booth plus everything else. We'll have a t-shirt out of this truck at some point in time, probably closer to the show. And the goal is to get this thing done before the end of the year, so that way I can drive it around and enjoy it a little bit. If you go on the Pro Performance page, there is a video of them lowering this truck and putting all the different parts on it. Go follow the Forbidden Fantasy Show Instagram, FFF_show. And that'll give you all the updates on the show, updates on how to enter to win this, which you don't enter, you just go to the show and enter at the show. And I gotta take some pictures because the sun's going down. But yeah, that's it. Thanks. And go to my website, buy stuff, goodlife.com.